We're gonna soup up our car.
We're gonna
let's get started. So
let's get started. Come on, let's get started.
So the first thing we're going to do is take off the front.
You like the fast battery?
Because it goes zoom, 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 zoom. When it dies, it goes zzz, zzz, zzz.
Okay, we're gonna show the way to start off by just replacing this battery though. Just a regular lawnmower battery works really well, and they're a lot cheaper. They definitely last longer. So the first thing you're gonna do is clip off the plugs. I know that I'm not gonna use this plug anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of this. These wires, because we're gonna make the other one work.
Are you gonna throw that thing away?
Yep. Now, I discovered that what works the best for me might not necessarily work the best for you.
The one with the blue.
I'm gonna go with alligator clips. The reason alligator clips is because when I want to switch out the battery, I can do it really quickly. In fact, the kids can even do that. They know how to hook it up, how to unhook it. Belle, do you know how to put it on the charger?
Yeah.
Liam, do you know how to take it off the charger? This is actually a tiny circuit breaker. We want to put this in there so that we don't have any overload on the circuit. So one of the things I did from my toolkit, I had a vacuum that I never used. A lot of people use their flashlights, but I just modified this by putting in some stronger batteries, and I just chopped off what I didn't need so that it then will fit in here, so I can just hook it up. So let's hook it up and see what happens. So I'm just gonna put it here to test it out first. Got my breaker on, put it there. Liam, are you ready to try the pedal out and see if it does anything?
Okay, gonna move back here.
Now we do have to do one last thing. So limiter screws right here, and for my kids, that's definitely going to need to come out. That's one of the great things. The kids had their 12 volt. By the time you need to fix the battery, it should be about the time that they can go to 18 volt, because it definitely makes it more fun. Okay, when I say go, that's when you slam on your foot, okay? Ready, set, go! So in the other one, as you can see, I had to make a hole for the battery, because in this one, I just replaced it with the regular 12 volt lawnmower battery. These run about 30 bucks, and they definitely work better. So this is definitely a way to go.